Hi everybody, I'm Leigh.
And I'm Becky.
And we want to talk today about adultery because it's really a hot topic now because of the Ashley Madison list that's been circulating. How important is adultery when you're proving your case?
Yes, we get a lot of questions of what it really means. And really, all we can say is it depends. There are so many factors that determine, what adultery means in your case. If you have children, the judge is going to look at the best interest of the children always. So they want to know, were the children affected by your adultery or your spouse's adultery? That's the most important thing.
Yeah, one time I had a case where the party was actually taking their kids on dates, and she lost custody. And I think that's kind of when you see that the parent can't take care of their kids because they're spending time. Another case I had. The lady every day was meeting, it sounds like only women cheat, but we know that's not true. So every day when she was meeting her lover, she was leaving her kid in childcare for hours to go to a hotel room and meet her lover, and she lost custody. But if your child's not affected at all, it's definitely not going to impact custody as much. In fact, the law says sexual misconduct alone is not enough to lose custody. So if that's the only reason that you, or not you, but that somebody is going after custody, then I don't think that's a good reason, unless you can prove that direct correlation between what that person's doing as far as cheating is concerned and their children.
Absolutely.
Right.
Your children are the number one factor. So if your adultery is getting in the way, if you caring for your child or the happiness of your children, or if they know about it and they're aware and they can tell you about it, then that's going to be a problem.
Yeah, recently I had a case where I was sitting in the office with somebody, and she said, I think that your dad's having an affair, and her daughter was there with me, and the daughter says, he is having an affair, Mom, he told me. And I got to be in I got to be there while that all went on.
Yeah.
She was probably 16 years old. I was kind of horrified that the dad would tell the 16-year-old. But
I had a client also that came in and was concerned about her husband cheating. Found his name on the Ashley Madison list and started putting, a few things together that had happened in the past. And her daughter said, "Oh, Mom, I found all of these emails and pictures." And her daughter was 11, and she wasn't aware at the time of what was going on. But when she started talking about it, her mom started talking about it. They put everything together, and they found out that yes, he in fact was cheating, and the little girl was aware.
And what we definitely don't want you to do, if you can help it, is talk to your kids about any of this stuff. Don't talk to your kids about adultery. Don't talk to your kids about what a bad person that you think your spouse is, no matter what they've done, going off a little off topic on the adultery. But you really don't want your kids to be involved in this. We're just mentioning this because the children in these cases came to their parents and told their parents about things that they saw. Don't go investigating with your children and picking around and seeing.
Yes, please don't question.
Yeah.
No matter how old or young, it always gets in their head, and then they start questioning things. And you definitely don't want the kids to be involved if you can help it. I mean, it's not for them to know.
Yeah. So if you need some help in deciding what to do, if you think that your spouse has been cheating on you, or you want to pursue custody, then you can come in and we'll be happy to talk to you about it.